This is one of our main screen. It will show the time and the real-time heart rate. Next, this is the real-time heart rate unique display. The footstep, the distance, the calorie you burn, the sleeping hour. After you connect the device to your phone, the application will show the sleeping hour, including the deep sleep and light sleep hours. The stopwatch. Long press the screen to get into the stopwatch. Long press again to access the function. Find your iPhone. Message reminder and power off. This is the unique Bluetooth ID.